Ajadugdham, goat milk. Here is a bottle of goat milk. In our pharmacy, for some Ayurvedic preparations, today we brought goat milk. I thought I will share some insights about goat milk with you. Here is a product named Anutailam, whose one of the specific ingredient is goat milk. Before telling about Anutailam and its specialities, its benefits, let us understand what Ayurveda has to say about the milk properties of the goat milk. As I previously said in the previous series, there are different Ayurveda considers the variations between cow milk, goat milk, sheep milk, camel milk, elephant milk, buffalo milk. What Ashtanga Hridaya Acharya says about uh, this goat milk. अल्पाम्बुपान व्यायाम कटुतिक्ताशनैर्लघु आजम शोषज्वर श्वास रक्तपित्तातिसारजित. What about, there is an Ayurvedic dictionary called Bhava Prakasha Nighantu. In that also Chagi Dugdha Gunaha, Dugdha Vargaha, in the chapter Dugdha Varga, Chagi Dugdha Gunaha is described. Chagam Kashayam Madhuram, Sheetam Grahi Tatha Laghu, Rakta Pitta Atisaragnam, Shayakasa Jwarapaham, Ajanam Alpakayatvat, Katotikta Nishevanat, Stokambu Panadvyayamat, Sarvarogapaham Payaha. And Bhavaprakash Acharya says another milk that is of sheep. Avika dugdham, that is rukshoஷ்ணம், kshamikana, avikam lavanam swadu snigdhoஷ்ணம் chashmari pranut ahridyam tarpanam vrishyam shukra pitta kapapradam guru kase nilodbhute kevale chanilevaram. So there is difference between goat milk and sheep milk. Here what we have is a one bottle of goat milk freshly we got from one farmer today. Now, what are the properties? Alpambupanat, the goat drinks less water than cow or buffalo. Buffalo is always in water. They eat like, but goats are more of a Jangala Pradesha, dry area. They don't drink so lot of water. So, because of that, Vyayamat, they keep moving, heavy physical activity. Katutiktasanaihi, they keep eating not grass but leaves of various plants. A lot of medicinal plants also will be there in that. Nowadays we cannot compare like somebody who was farming or keeping in the dairy and rearing the goats. Still they have to be supplied with a lot of leaves. So katu tiktasanair laghu, they eat a lot of bitter leaves, the lot of leaves with medicinal properties. Because of that, Ajam Shoshajwarashwasa Rakta Pittati Sarajit. Some health issues such as the pitta, Rakta Pitta and all can be managed by drinking goat milk, and it is laghu, it is light in nature, and it is kashaya, kashayam. The word kashayam is very special. Kashaya guna is one of the 6 rasas, kashaya, astringent. That kashaya guna is coming from the leaves, various herbs the gods graze during their grazing time. And they give a very less quantity of milk, which is again A2 milk in nature, is very good. This is what Ayurveda describing about this goat milk. Now, modern science, how modern science understands this goat milk, when it is, what are the nutritional values of this goat milk? Before saying that, let me taste a bit of goat milk and see. It is not so sweet. It's having one particular um, flavor, particular taste, a bit salty in nature. Good. रक्तपित्त में चरक छागम पयस्यात् परमं प्रयोगे गव्यम श्रुते पंचगुणे जले वा. Charaka Samhita, Charaka Acharya also have said about the benefits of goat milk. Ajena payasa peya sarakte madhu samyutaha, along with honey. This goat milk is indicated for this Rakta Pitta. Rakta Pitta is the cause for, say, psoriasis, gout, arthritis, and all are related to this Rakta Pitta. दूध के गुरु लघु होने में कारण पशु के आहार, व्यायाम आदि भी है. इसी से संग्रह में कहा है, पिण्याकाम्ल अशिनीनां तु गुर्वभिष्यन्ति तद्भृशम् अचेष्टया च प्रादोषात् गरीय स्मृतमौषसम्. व्याख्यातानेन लघिमा चेष्टावत् प्रकृतिष्वपि. So somebody who want to reduce their weight, they should go for goat milk. This is something एक अनुमान logic due to yukti says that, see, a goat is smaller in size, so the milk which is produced from goat is also going to give you less weight. The weight gain won't be there. So those who want to reduce their weight definitely can try as per Ayurveda. They can go for this goat milk also. It's not that goat milk is a medicine for weight reduction. No, it's not like that. When you compare to cow milk and buffalo milk, this will definitely going to support those who want to reduce their weight. Now, the nutritional composition. See, nutritional composition in 100 grams. Water, protein, fat, carbohydrates, energy, sugar, cholesterol, calcium, saturated fatty acids, like that. The comparison has been done in the modern science. In that case, fat is less in goat milk. Energy is also less in goat milk. Calories are less in goat milk. Cholesterol is less in goat milk. In cow milk, 14 mg per 100 gram cholesterol. But in goat milk it is only 10 mg per 100 gram. Then saturated fatty acids also slightly less in goat milk. Say, and in case of this mono unsaturated fatty acids are less in goat milk than in the cow milk. But polyunsaturated PUFA is almost same, 0.1 in cow milk and goat milk. There is no much difference. And modern science does not so encourage like Ayurveda, but Ayurveda considers goat milk as something which is highly medicinal in nature, some medicinal in nature. Now, coming to the one special medicine which is highly praised in Ayurveda, and especially for immunity boosting, for various purposes, especially respiratory tract cleaning, detoxification of respiratory tract, Anutailam. There is a process called Nasya, that is a dropping of 2 drops of oils under the supervision of doctors called Pratimarshanasya. Like that, Nasya is given, and that for that Nasya Tailam, a Taila like this is made by adding this goat milk. I will chant the shloka of Anutaila formula. Anutaila is a Taila which is having lot of herbs in it. Jivanti Jaladevadaru Jalatvak Sevya Gopi Himam Darvi Twang Madhu Kaplava Guruvari Punrakva Bilvotpalam Dhavantyau Surabhistire Krimiharam Patram Trudim Renukam Kinjalkam Kamalabdalam Shatagune Divyem Bhasikwathayet. Say, huge quantity of water, Shataguna of water, say 100 liter, like that amount of water. All these herbs such as Jivanti, Jala, Devadaru, Twak, Gopi, Hima, Darvi, Agaru, bilva, utpala, like lotus flower, all this has to be put into this water and boiled and made a kashaya. Then tailadrasam dashagunam parisheshyatena tailam pacheta salilena dashaiva varan. 10 times the process has to be repeated after making the kashaya. 10-liter kashaya and 1 liter taila has to be mixed and boiled and made the taila. That taila, once it is the kashaya is reduced, add one more 10 quantities of this kashaya, and this process is repeated 10 times. Then pake kshipe cha dashame samam ajadugdham. The 10th step, when the 9 process 9 times repetition is over, then the 10th time add equal quantity of goat milk to the oil and boil it. Nasyam mahagunamushantyανutaila-metat. This taila, such made taila, is named as Anutaila. It's very famous in Ayurveda. So from this itself we will come to know how Ayurvedic Maharshis have well understood the importance, the values of goat milk, where it has to be used. They have well understood. And what are the benefits of this nasya? Ghanonata prasannatvak, for facial looking, glow. This nasya is very good. Skandhagrivasya vakshasaha, all this ENT, properties of the ENT, eyes, nose and throat, will be improved by nasya. Dridhendriya swapalita, for hair loss, this is something which is very good. Aveyur nasya shilinaha, somebody who does nasya of Anutaila, made up of this one ingredient goat milk, who does as per Ayurvedic rules, as per advices, who does this nasya every day, they can rejuvenate themselves, they can be young in their indriyas. Their indriyas will be healthier, strong. This is what Ayurveda suggests. So today we have understood some properties, some benefits of Ajadugdha, who has to take, who has not to take. All this has been discussed. If you have any doubt, if you have more queries, you want to know more about this Ajadugdha goat milk or the products made of it, then you can ask me any doubts. We will come back with the doubt clearance. You like this video, share it with your friends. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you.